Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add a signature in Snapseed. Open up your Snapseed application and from the main homepage, tap on the plus button and select an image from your device's camera roll. Or you can also take a picture from your camera, and once you import a picture, you want to add your signature too. Tap on the Tools option at the bottom. Now once you open up Tools, locate and tap the text icon at the bottom. A text box will appear on your photo. Double tap the text box and this will bring up a keyboard. Type in your desired signature in the text box. After you are done, click on OK. You will now be able to add your signature on the screen. You can now customize it further. Pinch your fingers together to shrink or spread them apart to enlarge the text in order to adjust the signature size. Place it on a desired location, and after you do that, tap on the color palette option at the bottom of the screen. Now select the desired color for your text. You can choose the colors from the color palette at the bottom. Experiment with the colors and choose the color for your signature. After you do that, if you want to change the font style for your text, go to the bottom right and click on this erasure kinda icon. Select from different categories of styles from the menu at the bottom, and after you choose the signature style that suits your need, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right in order to save your changes. Once you've added your signature, tap on Export at the bottom right hand corner. Choose how you want to save the edited photo. You can save a copy with your signature or overwrite the original photo according to your need. Go ahead and pick one of these options at the bottom and you will be able to save your image with a new signature. So that's how you can easily add signature on Snapseed. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.